show me, Lord, show me.
Happy New Year! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Godriven TV with your boy LaShawn Taylor. Happy New Year's, family. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed mine. I brought it in church. And it was awesome. Awesome way to start the new year. But as always, it's time to get back to business. So that's what we're doing here today. Man, I'm excited for this video. My family's always looking out for me and just investing in me. One thing that I got for Christmas, I actually got a Cricut Maker. So I'll be doing a little unboxing for you guys. I'll just talk about it a little bit. So I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. But as always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're new here, I appreciate you for tuning in. Stay a while, stay a while. This year I'm excited because without a shadow of a doubt, I know I'm definitely going to be monetized this year. All right, but without making this video any longer than it needs to be, we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Now, it's so crazy, yo. I got this Cricut Maker for Christmas. I still haven't even opened this box up yet because I wanted you guys to, you know, do it with me. You know, I was really considering you guys. I was thinking about you guys. So, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and crack this thing open. Okay, okay. Alright. First thing when you look in the box, come on, don't be shy. First thing when you look in the box, let's get started. Let's get started. I'm gonna open this up. This first piece of paper. Materials for your first project. This one says open me first. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. It has a bunch of cards with numbers on it. One says unleash this beauty. Plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. Get connected. Shows you how to set it up. Make a little something is number 3, and that's for the practice project. And 4 is bookmark this page. Here's a welcome. Shows you that. All right, and we got the Cricut Maker page. Here's the welcome book. And this welcome book just basically, again, welcomes you to the Cricut Maker. Shows you everything included in the box. Making, the basics, design space, the library, the different projects you can do, the different materials you can cut on, the tools that the Cricut Maker comes with, and stuff you can add on, the different mats, you know, all that good stuff. Here is one of our blades. Here is the USB to connect your machine to. The pen that it comes with, it's a black pen. Here's your rotary blade cap. And here's the warranty information. You'll definitely need this, so hold on to this. All right, and now for the moment everybody, including myself, has been waiting for. The circle of... Alright, cut that out, cut that out. I actually love the color of it. It's in the champagne. Woo. I love the sleek design of it too. Like, it looks so much different compared to the Explorer Air 2. We'll go ahead and just lift this up real quick. Woo-wee. All right, and as we look inside the machine, we see our fine point blade is already in the B slot. That's the tool that you use for pretty much any project when it comes to like vinyl, your regular projects. All right, I'm gonna look back in the box and grab this power cord out. Definitely need that. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Oh, well, look, they done blessed us with some mats. Of course, they're bent out of shape. Don't know how smart that was, but appreciate you anyway, Cricut. All right, I got the power cord plugged into the wall, and this part of the cord goes into the back like that, and now it should be ready to turn on. What I read about this machine is that it is much more quieter than the Explorer Air 2, and that that really is a plus for me, especially because I like while I'm working, I like to watch like podcasts, and sometimes it's hard to hear. So I'm looking forward to using this bad boy. All right, guys, thank you for tuning into my video. Man, one of the biggest things I'm excited about is being able to do double work, being able to do multiple projects at the same time, because now I have this Cricut Maker here, and now I have the Cricut Explorer Air 2, and I have 2 laptops. So it's just gonna make things a little easier on me. You know, I'm be able to complete work faster, get more projects done and out the way. But yo, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Man, join the family, because we're only going up from here. And that's facts, man. We out of here.
Lord, show me, Lord, show me.